Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of our favorite TV series, When Hope Calls. The showrunner of When Hope Calls, Alfonso Moreno, describes Lori Loughlin's first days back on the set and shared that it was fun to have her there. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. One of our favorite actress, Lori Loughlin, is finally set to return to acting after a year and a half. The former When Coast the Heart star will return with the popular character Abigail Stanton on the spin-off series When Hope Calls Season 2 on a completely new network, GSE Family, which was formerly known as Great American Country. Loughlin will be appearing in the two-part season premiere of When Hope Calls A Country Christmas, which is set to air on Saturday, December 18. As Lori Loughlin is returning to the small screen just in time for the holidays, When Hope Calls fans will watch the actress reprise her role as Abigail Stanton, whom she played from 2014 to 2019 on When Coast the Heart. According to the showrunners of the show, Alfonso Moreno, Lori's return just in time for a special Christmas episode was quite the gift. I've worked on season 5 and 6 of When Coast the Heart with Lori and worked closely with her. To be able to bring her back here was just in many ways seamless, he exclusively shared in an interview. He continued, I established the character of Lillian coming into the town with Grace in a Christmas episode in a past season. As Lori Loughlin knew them already, it was seamless to bring her into this world. The first episode is organic in how she does come back and she fits in right away into this world. Alfonso also added, it was just fun to bring them back. I could see again a lot of stories that I could be telling with Abigail in that world, in what could only be described as some holiday magic. Lori's return was finalized rather quickly. When having a conversation with executive producer Brad Crevoy about creating a really interesting Christmas show, Lori and her character came up. After chatting with Lori in September 2021, the writing process kicked into high gear, leading to a festive kickoff for the season 2. Nearly 3 months later, when Lori made her way back on set, Alfonso said that she was welcomed with open arms. It was the first time I had seen her in 2 or 3 years, he recalled. From the very first day, I think she just felt very welcomed and obviously knows this character, and so I think she just had fun. The executive producer, who has also worked on Drop Dead Diva and NCIS, added, she's just such a pro that it wasn't particularly emotional so much as it was back to work. Lori exited the original show in the wake of the college admission scandal and later pled guilty to 1 count of conspiracy to commit wire and mail fraud. She completed her 2-month sentence in December 2020. Similarly, another storyline fans can look forward to is the reunion between Jack Thornton and Abigail. It was Lori's idea and I just thought it was fantastic. He said, when you see it play out, I just feel like it really works on a lot of different levels. Alfonso said he got teary-eyed writing their scene and watching it being filmed. I'm pretty sure for the loyal hearty audience that they are going to be moved by it. And according to Alfonso, there could be even more surprises in store that fans won't see coming. We do plan to bring in other actors because it's just again, if bringing it means there will be fun and great anticipation, you can bet we are going to do it, he said with a chuckle. These characters were in everyone's living rooms for so long, you got to know them. So why not bring some of them over? The new season of When Hope Calls premieres on December 18 at 8 p.m. Eastern on GSE Family. When Hope Calls marks Loughlin's first acting performance in more than a year and a half. Last time she was involved in acting, When Coast the Heart had already completed production on season 6, and the Full House actress was implicated in the infamous college admission scandal of 2019. After this scandal, the Hallmark Channel's beloved series TV went on a small interval and returned 3 months later, with Loughlin's scenes taken away from the season 6 remaining 7 episodes. Accounting for Hope Valley's MIA, Mayor Erin Krakow's character Elizabeth revealed that Abigail had left town and headed towards the east with Cody to take care of her sick mother. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of When Hope Calls as it comes in. We will have all the burning When Hope Calls spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.